In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a PayPal payment on hold in just 1 hour. Dealing with payment holds can be frustrating, but I'll guide you through a straightforward process to resolve the issue. Let's get started by visiting the PayPal website. Once you're there, you'll need to log in. Click on the login button, enter your email address and password, and then click log in again to access your account. Before we can unlock your funds, it's essential to understand why your money might be on hold. PayPal might place payments on hold for several reasons. Common scenarios include not having sold in a while, multiple customers reporting problems or requesting refunds, changes in your selling pattern, or selling higher risk items. Additionally, if you've received payment for goods and services instead of a transfer between friends and family, PayPal may delay the release of funds. Recognizing these factors can help you select the right course of action to release the hold as quickly as possible. Now let's dive into how to actually address this issue. Navigate to your recent activity or activity tab within your PayPal account. Here you'll want to locate the specific transaction with the funds on hold. Look for the Get Your Money button or link next to this transaction. Click on it and then choose the appropriate option to update the order status specific to your service or intangible item. Be sure to fill in any necessary details about the transaction. This could include clarifying the nature of the sale or providing additional information to verify its authenticity. Once you've updated the relevant details, click on the Submit button to finalize this process. Alternatively, another method to release funds involves adding tracking information. If applicable, use an approved shipping carrier to deliver your goods and ensure you provide the tracking number within PayPal. For added convenience, you can print shipping labels directly through PayPal, which will automatically upload the tracking information to your transaction. By carefully following these steps, you should have your payment released from hold promptly and potentially within the hour, depending on the situation and the timing of your updates. It's important to keep in mind that maintaining clear and consistent communication with your buyers can help minimize the occurrence of holds in the future. Regularly reviewing your PayPal account for updates or changes in processes can ensure smooth transactions moving forward. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you confidently solve any PayPal payment holds you encounter.